My client has two websites, and what's your recommendations? One Google Ads account with one website, or one Google Ads account with two websites? Or should I create separate conversion action on his current Google Ads account? He wants me to run his both websites ads on the same Google Ads account, and both have different niches. What's your recommendation? Okay, so my recommendation is when clients like these start to dictate what they want, then I would politely say to them that we cannot work for you or with you, and you will need to hire somebody else. Do you ever go to a restaurant and tell the chef what to put in your food? How much each spice needs to be? Does he need to put sugar or salt or spices or whatever? No, we don't. We just leave it to them because that's why we are paying them. And that's why we're going there, because their food is good. Same over here. Lots of clients will start demanding and dictating. And if it doesn't align with your workflows, your goals, and what you're trying to achieve, then absolutely 100% say no to them. With regards to this question, it's a very simple answer. Never ever run two or more websites from the same Google Ads account, because you will have different negative keywords, you will have different conversion sets, of course, you will have different either cost per acquisition or target ROAS, and you will be pulling your hair out as to how to set up these negative keywords either at account level or campaign level or ad group level. Keep things simple. Have different accounts per website. As simple as that. Never ever go with one account and multiple websites. You'll be pulling your hair out. Trust me.